Now, the driver had outstanding warrants. Police expect charges will also be filed in the chase.
Testimony continues today in the trial of Officer Jeronimo Yanez. Yanez is on trial for manslaughter in the death of Philando Castile. Our Mary McGuire is covering this trial for us. She joins us once again live outside the Ramsey County Courthouse. And Mary, do we know who's going to take the stand this morning?
Well, Jason, the BCA agent who was involved in the processing of that shooting scene, she is expected to take the stand again this morning. This all comes after emotional testimony from the former girlfriend of Philando Castile. Wiping away tears, Diamond Reynolds told jurors that Philando Castile was trying to unbuckle his seatbelt to get his wallet when he was shot. Those moments were caught on police dash cam video and were played multiple times in court. She claimed she live streamed the moments after that shooting so that, quote, someone would know the truth. On cross-examination, the defense hammered away at her story, pointing out inconsistencies in her statements over the past months regarding marijuana use, the placement of Castile's gun, and his hand movements. We also heard from Joseph Kauser, who is Officer Yanez's partner the night of that shooting. He told the jury he didn't see anything alarming before that deadly shooting, but that he was watching the passenger in the car, not the driver. He maintained Officer Yanez did what he had to do. Now, today in court, we do expect to get the nuts and bolts of the forensic component of this investigation. Folks from the medical examiner's office and also lab technicians may be called to the stand today, but the prosecution can always throw a curveball in terms of who they call to testify before the jury. Jason, things get underway here in Ramsey County at 9 a.m. this morning.
Mary, we were talking this morning about the jury and their reaction during the emotional testimony. What did you see?
Well, obviously, the jury selection process was very labor intensive. It took 5 days last week. So both sides put a lot of time and effort into selecting the people that they wanted to serve on this jury. I looked at them closely when Diamond Reynolds was on the stand. Not a lot of emotion from any of their faces, but they were listening intently. They were leaning forward in their chairs, but I didn't notice a lot of them taking notes on the paper that is provided for them.
All right, Mary, thank you. Stay with WCCO for continuing coverage. We'll be all over this trial on air and online.